Okay, by now you should have received a login to your new site editor. You can either bookmark that link I sent you, or you can always find it from just going to my website at easyclickwebdesign.com, scrolling to the bottom, and just simply clicking on Site Login. From here you get to your login. You can set up with sign in with your Google, or you can just set it up with the email that I sent to you and then a temporary password. And then you can always reset the password once you're in. So let me just get logged into my editor. Make sure I spelled everything correctly. Okay, so you can see that I have a couple sites under my own editor, but for this one we'll just get right into mine down here. You can go into the site to edit here. You can preview your site here with the three devices like you've been seeing when we've been developing your site. You can go over here to overview to get all of your statistics, form responses, etc. And then you can go specifically to the stats. Then you can click here and manage posts, store settings, form responses. So you can access pretty much everything you need here. But what you're going to do is go in here to edit. And this is the back end of your website.